morning friends. Open your textbook, page number 70. Now we are going to study a poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. After reading the title, Basket Full of Moonlight, actually we cannot keep the moonlight in the basket. Moonlight and the basket, there is the two different relation or the two long relation. But here is, we have to think the idea of the poet, basket full of moonlight. Now attend the activities in chit chat. First question is, did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? So here is given 4 questions and it is for the discussion. It is for the warming up. So you have to read this question and give the answer by your own. Then another activities are given here. Discuss in groups about the procedure of planting tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present it before the class. Now everyone out of you or among you, you plant tree every year, means in the rainy season, and there is the specific procedure how to plant the tree. You know that, so you have to write it step by step. Then discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. Every parents do many things for their family. There is the very important role of our parents in our life. Every day they do many things, means to do our life best. So your father and mother means what do for you in your family. You have to write that, means the works of your father and the mother. Now turn the page and come to the page number 18. Basket full of moonlight. Oh moon. Now listen the poem carefully. Oh moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or 2 baskets full with the seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city, daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, and my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes to back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight unload. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. So this poem is written by Sunil Sharma. Sunil Sharma is the Indian poet, and here is a boy in the poem, and he requests to the moon, you give me a moonlight. Basket full or 2 basket full, means he has the early need of the moonlight. A basket full or 2 baskets with the seeds of moonlight. Means here is the poet or the boy in the poem, he requires the moonlight. Not only moonlight, but the seeds of the moonlight, small seeds of the moonlight. And what is the reason behind that? He is telling in the next stanza. From the city to my village on the sides of the path, I want to sow many. Means after getting the moonlight or the seeds of the moonlight, means he want to sow the moonlight from city to village, means where he lived. And he want to sow many small moons of light, means by the side of the road he want to sow the, or he want to plant the moonlight. The whole village goes to the city daily to work, means where the poet is staying or the living, he living in the village, and his villagers means goes to the city every day for the work or to earn their livelihood. It become dark on its way back as my village is quite far, and where the poet is living, that village is very long, very far, and all the people from his village go to the city to earn their livelihood, and when they return from the city, so they take the very long time. Means they reach at home at the time of the night. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Means while returning from the city, that route is darkened. Means there is no light, and on the road means there are the snakes and the scorpions. Means which is the very dangerous creature. Means which can be the fatal sometime. Neither bus nor cart flies when my father returns home. When the poet's father returned home, means there is the no means of the traveling. Means there is no bus or no car, and his father takes long time to return home when the poet goes to sleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping, and on the next day, means when the poet is sleeping, in that time his father go on his work. Means when his father return to home and go to the work, means he cannot see or he cannot meet with his father. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Means he is not asking it is freely or to give freely, but means I have the require of the moonlight as the loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. Means that which route is the very dark from city to village, so we want to show the moonlight means by the path to light the road. And after that, after lightening the road, his father will return at home very early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. When my father will come early in the home, so I want to listen the stories or the fairy tales from his father. Therefore, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to show sheets of moon on the sides of the path. So in this way, means here is the poet. He requested the moon means to give the moonlight to brighten the road from city to village for the help of the villagers and his father. In this way, you have to read this poem many times, and after that attend the activities in the English workshop on page number 19 and another page, and whatever difficulty occur in this activity you can ask me. Okay.